Query number 89 from Vadodara, Gujarat. How to make best use of credit cards. So I am very big fan of Simon Sinek's books. So he has two books, Start with the Why or Find Your Why. So if you have not read these books, let me know, I'll send you. So these are the two wonderful books. Every one of us needs to know our why. I'm doing these sessions, as I said, my priority for last week always is my me time. I reflect upon the year gone by in the last week. Along with OPD, I don't do anything else. I do take a couple of days off as well in this period. I planned it for the first week, a couple of days around third or fourth, but then my kid's exam came. Maybe I'll have to shift that in by 3, 4, 5 days. But we are experiencing the densest of the fog, you can say, at presently, ever since yesterday Christmas started. Dense as possible. It started at 4:30 p.m. in the evening today. You can imagine what it would be in the morning. So understand the why. Why do you need a credit card? You have it, perfectly fine. I'm not saying I'm not against it. If you can use it properly, credit cards can be a boon. But having total dependence on that, doing balance transfer, doing, you can say, EMIs, absolutely wrong choice. What is your reason of a credit card? Get your why first. Did you buy it for travel points, dining, shopping, people are frequent travelers, air miles, petrol points, etc., etc.? There are many more reasons as well. If you understand your why, you will get an answer how to make best use of credit card. None of the credit card will give you the best, you can say, option for all these. Some cards provide good air mile points, some are good for petrol, some are good for traveling and dining and shopping separately. There is no one card that will give you all benefits. But if your why is that nothing of this travel, dining, shopping, air miles, petrol points, my is just to enjoy a 50-day credit free period, it is a bad choice. Must tell you, it is a very bad choice if you have chosen for that. So get your why. If you need the books, let me know, and I'll send you. And of course, the best use of credit card is if you know the purpose for which you're using it. I hope that answers your query.